DeWeese flatbeds, built for power, precision, and durability. The DeWeese flatbeds are built for those who demand strength, reliability, and performance in their work vehicles. Designed and manufactured in the USA, DeWeese has become a trusted name in agriculture, ranching, and commercial industries, known for creating flatbeds that handle the toughest jobs with ease. Each flatbed is constructed from heavy-duty steel and engineered to deliver exceptional durability, even under the most demanding conditions. One of the standout features of DeWeese flatbeds is their hydraulic-driven systems, which power tools, bale beds, and other accessories directly from the truck's engine, making them ideal for ranchers and field workers who need portable power on the go. The design also focuses on functionality and safety, featuring rugged toolboxes, LED lighting, reinforced headache racks, and customizable bed configurations to suit different needs. Whether you're hauling hay, equipment, or materials, the DeWeese flatbed turns any pickup into a professional-grade workhorse, built to perform, built to last. Erickson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender, expanding truck capability. The Erickson Company started in a small garage back in 1977 and has grown into one of North America's most trusted names in load-securing solutions. Among its many clever innovations, one standout is the Erickson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender, a simple yet highly effective tool for hauling large or oversized items safely. This extender instantly transforms your truck's cargo space by adding up to 4 feet of extra length, perfect for carrying lumber, ladders, kayaks, or any gear that won't normally fit in the bed. It's made from heavy-duty, black powder-coated steel, ensuring long-term durability and resistance to rust or wear. Weighing just 38 pounds, it's easy to install by sliding into a standard 2x2-inch hitch receiver, and it can support up to 400 pounds when evenly distributed. Measuring 46 inches long and 48.5 inches wide in use, the Erickson Big Bed Senior Tailgate Extender provides solid, dependable support for professionals and weekend adventurers alike, all for just $157. More 4x4 Modular Pickup System, the ultimate heavy-duty truck bed redesign. More 4x4 has completely transformed what a pickup truck's rear section can be. Instead of the traditional bed, it offers a rugged, modular cargo system built to handle the toughest work and off-road environments. Designed for construction crews, utility workers, and adventure enthusiasts, this setup delivers both strength and flexibility in one heavy-duty package. Its reinforced steel frame can handle loads far beyond a standard truck bed, and the modular design allows easy customization, from stake sides for added security to drop sides, canopies, or mobile workspace configurations. The system has already proven its reliability on models like the Toyota Helix Revo, where it enhances both performance and practicality. One standout feature is the integrated storage system with heavy-duty sliding drawers and compartments, keeping tools and gear neatly organized and easy to access. Off-roaders will appreciate the improved exit angles and extra clearance for larger wheels and tires, making it ideal for rugged terrain. Durable, versatile, and engineered for real-world use, this professional-grade setup starts at $19,300. Rack and Roll, the ultimate motorcycle hauling system. Meet the Rack and Roll, a rugged and reliable solution built specifically for hauling motorcycles across rough terrain. This system keeps things simple yet highly effective, designed for riders who want security, strength, and ease of use. It uses heavy-duty turnbuckles, solid chocks, and reinforced brackets to keep your bike perfectly stable, even on the bumpiest roads. The Sport model can handle up to 275 kilograms, making it capable of carrying 2 lightweight motorcycles or even a low-clearance superbike with confidence. What makes Rack and Roll stand out is its user-friendly design. A front wheel lock holds your motorcycle steady while you strap it down, allowing you to load it alone without needing help. It easily mounts to any standard 2-inch hitch receiver, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications. Built from tough powder-coated steel and equipped with stainless steel hardware, this carrier resists rust, mud, and wear. Just note, the lightweight aluminum loading ramp is sold separately for $395. Roelle X-Rack, the Swiss-made modular skip loader system. Switzerland is known for precision and innovation, and the Roelle X-Rack is a perfect example of that engineering excellence. This modular skip loader system transforms an ordinary 3.5-ton pickup into a multi-purpose workhorse capable of tackling heavy-duty jobs with ease. Depending on its setup, The X-Rack weighs around 600 kilograms and can handle up to 1,200 kilograms of load. Operated through 4 remote-controlled hydraulic functions, it allows a single person to load, unload, and secure modules effortlessly. Built from high-grade S355 steel, the system undergoes sandblasting, hot-dip galvanizing, and is finished with a durable polyurethane coating for maximum resistance to harsh weather and tough job site conditions. The load area features a rhino-lined surface and integrated tie-down rails for extra security. Its modular design lets users quickly switch between attachments, from skips and flatbeds to containers or spreaders, in just minutes. Available in 2 main versions, the Power Pickup with full hydraulics and the Eco One with manual support, it's compatible with popular pickups like the Isuzu D-Max, Ford Ranger, Toyota Helix, and Volkswagen Amarok. Priced around $14,000, the Roelli X-Rack is a serious upgrade for any work vehicle.